Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Valorant general speed stock at 0.1. So it's pretty annoying, I know. So now let's jump right into the video without wasting any second, because I hate introductions. Alright, so what you have to have a couple of methods I found to work. Now obviously I can't guarantee that will work 100%, but I'm gonna try my best to help you. So what you have to do first is first method that I recommend you to try is to go to cmd command prompt. All right, in here run as administrator, and yes, and now here please write ip config /flush DNS. I already done this when I tested, so I'm not gonna do it again. It's not worth it. But for you, if you haven't done this very long time, please try this and enter this command and try to see if there's any change. That's the first method. The second method that worked for me, because I had this problem like 2 months ago when I tried Valorant on this laptop, I simply switched from my internet connection to like cable to Wi-Fi, and this really improved a lot. Like the game started to download only in 2 hours instead of not downloading at all. So please try this. And that still didn't work, or if you tried this before, I'm going to show you now another method. And this one, what you have to do is to go to allow an app through and click on the best match, and here make sure you click on change settings and you go to to Riot Client. Now if you can't see here Riot Client, what you can do is to simply add a Riot client here. So you can do this from here, allow another app, browse, and now go where is located another Riot client, and that's pretty much it. If you don't know how to locate, you can also go to open file location, and here we have Riot client, and now you can copy the location, right? Because now you know where it is located. So that's one method, and make sure you add Riot client, and then you can try to see if this worked. That's pretty much it. That I just shared with you what worked for me, especially to change your connection cable. And also remember, right now you can also make sure you update your drivers. This can have an impact on your performance, that's 100% sure. Make sure you click here on and update your drivers, network adapters. There's another way. If you go to Windows Update, and I'm not talking about Windows updating your Windows, but more like if you go to advanced options, optional updates, here you can see more updates available, and make sure you update these updates this way as well. So this is pretty much it, guys. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, for more tutorials. This will help the channel, and I hope it's going to help you as well if you learn something new, right? So thank you and take care.